HSBC cautiously eyeing crypto.
So HSBC's global head of digital, so his name is Josh Bottomley, he has said that the bank is cautiously looking at cryptocurrency use cases. So not exactly cryptocurrencies themselves, but the underlying technology beneath it, so blockchain technology. So his reasoning for not looking at the cryptocurrencies themselves is he's looking at their use case. So if a cryptocurrency has a very legitimate use case, then it is a possible vehicle for investment. But currently, as an asset class, cryptocurrencies tend to be more speculative. So the volatility is very high, both upwards and downwards, which is not really a good vehicle for investment if I'm looking for stability. So 10 years down, I actually don't know how much it will cost as compared to something like gold.
Yeah. So I mean, it's really very difficult to gauge a certain value, towards cryptocurrencies. I mean, if I were to buy a property and I were to send Bitcoin on July 15, and I send 3 Bitcoin on July 15, and I send 3 Bitcoin right now, today the price would have changed by at least 3,000 or more than that, right? So that being said, it's very difficult to gauge the price. So it's very hard to hedge it against a certain asset value in that sense.
So how do you think about what do you think about banks using blockchain technology to power their services? So not saying a decentralized open ledger, but just blockchain technology, maybe a private ledger just for themselves. Do you think it's going to benefit the industry, or is it going in the wrong direction from cryptocurrencies?
Well, I think blockchain is the underlying technology, alright, as most people would see that way. And cryptocurrency is just a platform, an idea, a vehicle, right, on top, building on the blockchain. So blockchain is still the underlying technology, and as it advances, as more banks and more companies and tech companies are looking into it, it actually kind of speed up the development of blockchain. That actually enhances the whole industry, I believe.
And this is not the first bank to look at crypto,
Yeah,
right? So
definitely.
there has been JP Morgan, there has been
Goldman Sachs.
So they are not some of them directly invest, some of them are looking to teach other people how to invest, some of them are looking at the infrastructure underneath it, pairing up with tech companies like IBM.
Yep.
So all of these banks, they tend to be very competitive because essentially banks have to compete in terms of service, correct? Because they are offering the same kind of things, it's just what level they can reach. So if one bank says, oh, I'm looking into crypto, all other banks will start looking into it. It's a means of maintaining their competitive advantage.
It's like a customer loyalty kind of thing. They want to earn more customers, right?
So we are not sure what this means for crypto yet. It is positive news, but we don't know which direction is going from here. So stay tuned for our next update.
If you want to stay updated with the latest blockchain and cryptocurrency news, do catch us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 AM Eastern Standard Time or 8 PM Singapore Standard Time. Consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. We'll see you in the next episode.